Hi everyone, my name is Danielle and I work at Sephora Garden City in Cranston, Rhode Island. Today I'm going to be teaching you my nighttime skincare routine for my normal to dry skin. So I'm a current grad student and I work 3 jobs. When I get ready for bed at night, it's something I want to get done fairly quickly, but still get all the steps I need to make sure my skin stays looking healthy and fresh. To start my routine off, I will be removing my makeup using the Pharmacy Green Clean Makeup Melt-Away Cleansing Balm with Echinacea Green Envy. Using the applicator, I apply a small amount to the fingertips, and on dry skin, I begin to massage my face, brows, eyes, and any area that I had makeup, including my neck. If you look like a raccoon during this step, you know that you're doing it right. I'm grabbing some extra balm as needed to make sure I have enough to remove all of my makeup. I absolutely love this balm because it feels super nourishing on my skin, and it's featured in Sephora's Clean at Sephora, so you can be sure that all the ingredients are healthy for your face. To remove this, I use a damp, warm face cloth, and I gently remove the balm from the face. I'm now using the cloth to gently go over my eye area to remove any mascara or liner. After using the balm, I'm going to move into using my cleanser. This is my favorite cleanser, the Youth to the People Superfood Antioxidant Cleanser. It's great for all skin types, including sensitive, and I love how it's filled with antioxidant-rich ingredients such as kale, spinach, and green tea. This is another great product featured in Clean at Sephora. I find that it really helps even out my skin tone and reduce redness. I apply a small amount to my hands and massage with warm water before rinsing and patting dry. Once I have a clean face, I'll exfoliate and tone using the First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads. One of my biggest skin concerns has always been uneven skin texture and bumps. I especially get these along my jawline. While they're not visible, it's something that I do feel. However, after I've been using these facial radiance pads, I've noticed a major improvement in my skin texture. They're safe for everyday use and even great on sensitive skin. I massage the pad into my face and neck for about 30 seconds before allowing it to dry and moving on to the next step. The next product is a newfound favorite, the Fresh Black Tea Kombucha Facial Treatment Essence. I recently discovered it and I'm absolutely obsessed. If you haven't used an essence before, it's basically like the primer of the skincare world. Just as a primer is going to prep your skin for makeup, the essence is going to boost the efficacy of all the skincare that follows. And this particular essence is loaded with antioxidants that improve pores, fine lines, and wrinkles and leave the face looking absolutely luminous. For my serum, I will be using First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Hydrating Serum. I enjoy this one because my skin tends to be a bit on the drier side, and it has hyaluronic acid, which gives a boost of hydration and keeps my skin looking plump and moisturized. I apply a small amount to my face and my neck. To help improve my under eyes, I'll be using Fresh Rose Hydrating Eye Gel Cream. The rose water in this product not only smells amazing, but it helps soothe and nurture the delicate skin under the eyes. I do a lot of studying and my eyes can look pretty tired, which is why I love using this cream because it's cooling and targets dullness. I apply a rice-size amount to my ring fingers and lightly tap it into the under eyes and onto the orbital bone. Time for moisturizer, I'll be using Fresh Lotus Youth Preserve Moisturizer. This will help target my dryness by providing 24 hours of moisture and also has anti-aging components that are preventative against loss of firmness, fine lines, and wrinkles. I brought my travel size with me because I am coming from Rhode Island and it's the perfect size for easy travel. I massage a small amount into the face and neck. Because I'm constantly stressed, I have a few breakouts currently, and I will be targeting those using Murad Outsmart Acne Clarifying Treatment. I'm going to put a small amount of the Murad Outsmart Acne Clarifying Treatment onto my finger and then with a cotton swab, apply directly to those stubborn little spots. With the salicylic acid that this product contains, they will be gone in no time. For my final step, I will be treating my lips with the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. This product is an absolute godsend. I cannot tell you how much I love it. Living in New England in the fall and winter, you know that you're going to have chapped lips, which is a major struggle. Before, I felt like nothing was working to combat them, and when I discovered this product last year, I was absolutely so relieved. You apply a small amount with the applicator to the lips right before going to bed, and in the morning, my lips are super hydrated and plump and moisturized. Thanks so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.